Hello friends, today I will show my investment report including Indian investment and US investment. So first we'll start for the Indian investment which for the Grow account where I have invested here you can see and the investment value and the current value and the one day return. And if I see here when I started my investment early I have started around 2024 I started investing in the stocks and it went like this because of some geopolitical issues and all those things. And if you come down you can see the sectors where I have invested. Most of the things where I have invested in the bank sector, where I have bullish on the bank sectors and the large cap all I have invested most of the investment. And coming to the individual stocks here you can see these are the stocks where I have invested my investment. You can see here all large cap where I have invested. This is all about the stocks and coming to the mutual fund. So mutual fund is the one where I have more investment here. If you see this is the amount which I invested and this is the current value and one day return is this one. And these are the funds where I have invested. You can see here. These are the funds which I invested and the one day return of the fund and total return. And if you see when I started the mutual fund investment, see around 2024 I started. When I started the stocks, same time I started the mutual funds as well. And you can see the journey from up and downs in between, yeah, up to here. And coming to the overall investment, if you see large cap I have 55, mid cap I have a 21 percentage, and small cap around 23. And these are all about the Indian investment. And coming to one more account where I investing the Indian investment is a fire account. So here you can see the stocks here. See actually here I just started using this account for the investment for the some stocks. So you can see here this total profit and loss here and one day change of the stocks here. And here also I have one mutual fund investment which is a large cap here and see this is my investment for this and this is the profit. One day return is this one. Yeah, these are all about my Indian investment. Coming to US stock investment, here I use two accounts for that US stock investment. The first one is INDmoney. Here you can see here, yeah, this is the one the investment value of that US and this is the current value and now the market is, you can see the one day return and total return. Here, the US stocks investment is the one which is having more profit. Actually, it is around this is this percentage, and you can see this is a holdings US stocks which we read and see every day in news. Everything is familiar to us. Those stocks only invested. Here you can see these are known things for everyone. Yeah, this is all about for this US investment for that INDmoney. And come to one more thing I have, this is a vested. So the invested also I'm using to invest the US stocks here. So this is a one as of now the current value of that my investment. So if you go to the US stocks here I will have that lot of here you can see lot of US stocks here where I have invested. Uh, yes, these are all the investment in the vested account. You see most of the thing where I have that holdings here you can see how much percentage for each one. That's all, my friends. We'll see tomorrow again.